Morning, everybody. It's 8:34 on this Wednesday morning, and this is your pre-opening comment. It is video number 1634. Okay, the only economic news that's out so far are the mortgage apps. They were up 7%. This is versus last week's 27%. Asia and Europe are both mixed. The news here clearly is earnings. Microsoft, which closed at 242 and change on their seeming beat, moved all the way up to 254.95, and then during their um, during their conference call, the stock collapsed all the way back down to down on the day. This morning it is 236.07, and that's down 597, and that puts a little bit of weakness into the Dow, as does Texas Instruments and Boeing. Boeing was a slight miss, and the stock currently is traded from 212 down to 201. Last is 208, down 398 or 1.7, but that's been on a tear for a while. Texas Instruments really doing nothing. It was 177.04. The earnings came out, it went to 176.27, which was down 77 cents, and today it's just under 176, down about $1.50. As I said, Boeing was a miss. Stock went from 212 to 201. Last is 208. Hess with a beat closed yesterday 153.88, and this morning is 153.60, so nothing really there. Isrg, Intuitive Surgical, hit by the lack of non-emergency surgeries and such. They make the Da Vinci, automated robotic surgery. It's used a great deal in hip replacements and things like that. The stock is trading 234, down $24 or 9%. Asml, the big chip manufacturer, beat on their earnings. Stock is 656.66. That's down 13.35 or 2%. And Kimberly-Clark with a beat, but kind of soft guidance. The stock is trading 129.16, and that's down 547 or 4.1%. Futures were down about 200, now down 261 in the Dow. S&P was down 33, currently down about 38, and the NASDAQ, which I've seen down about 147, is now down about 167. So a little bit of weakness here across the board. Crude right back to that $80. This is a magnet. $80 from rallies from the downside and rallies from the upside. So this morning it's up 17 cents, and we have crude inventories coming around 10:30, I believe. Gas is down less than half of a penny. Nat gas is down another 7 cents, below $3, $298.30. The gold is down a little, down 870, still holding really well. The silver is down 19 cents. We're long those AGQ calls. We're long around 145 and 150. Those are the 31s, and they closed 185 yesterday. I expect they'll be back to the 160, 170 area, and I'm holding for the next move higher, I believe. And it's a small position. The dollar is slightly higher. Bonds are also slightly higher by 18/32, which is 9/16 of a dollar, and they were up a dollar yesterday, so some strength there. And as far as crypto, Bitcoin down about 340, and Ethereum down 56, 36, I'm sorry. And no, 56 and a half. And that is a huge divergence. I mean, that's 3%, whereas Bitcoin is down less than 1%. All right, everyone. Uh, I'll be back later. Be careful out there. We have Tesla after the close. And this morning we also have FCX and Norfolk and